14C Blue Redmi in the presence
Unboxing.
of Lady in Orange and
Man in blue.
Man in black.
Blue. 19
Kala ko,
Blue.
ibablock mo na naman ako eh.
He's obviously from New York.
Oo.
It's starting.
Yes, sir. Charger.
Wow. Ilan watts?
33.
Fast
33
charging.
watts.
Not fast like mine, but fast charging. Is it orange?
14C12.
No.
No, it's not orange. It's okay.
But this one's orange.
Data and high-speed charging and high-speed data transferring. So when you plug it in with a device, it will you can store a lot. Considering you're gonna have limitations, you can store a lot of things. You will have Viber, you will have call, and you will have you will surrender money on a weekly basis. So whatever you do will be smart. Whatever you do, don't do stupid things online because you will lose it. And I agree with it.